Hi friends, today we will learn what are the differences between calculated column and measure. So these are the differences between column and measure. As per the written type, calculated column gives you multiple values and measure gives you single value or scalar value. Memory, as per the memory, calculated column always occupies the memory and measure occupies the very little memory. As per the usage, sometimes you get confused and you think what should we make calculated column or measure. So only you need to think first if you want to your calculation should be used in axis, legend, slicer, page filter and report filter, then you should make the calculated column. And if you want to your calculation use in value section, visual filter, then you should make the measure. And data refresh means when you have created calculated column, then column value will be changed only two condition: if you change your logic of the calculation or if you change your underlying data. And in case of measure, if you change the logic and if you your data will be changed, then measure value will be changed. And third is user interaction. User interaction means whenever you put the measure in visual and canvas, then you select the filter and selection, then measure will value will be also changed that time. Now we can see in Power BI. I have this data and then I will create a calculated column. I will give the name calculated column, sum of calculated, sum of sale. As you can see here, calculated column is giving you multiple values. Now we will create a measure. Total sales, sum of sale, and then I will pick the card visual and I will draw measure. So as you can see here, measure will is giving you single value. So now you can see column gives you multiple values, measure gives you single value or scalar value. And because of multiple values and physical existence in the data, column occupies the memory and measure has a no physical existence, so that's why it consumes very little memory. Now we will check as per the usage of the column and measure. We will pick the bar chart. This is bar chart and I just take the measure and I want to put in axis. It will not picking. If I keep in legend, it is also not picking, and then I just keep in values, it is taking, as you can see here. And now I just keep in visual filter, it's a taking, as you can see here, total sales. And then I just keep in filter on the page, it is not taking, you can see here. And report filter, it is also not taking. Up now I just take the calculated column. I just keep in axis, it is taking. It is legend, it is also taking. Value section, it is also taking. You can see here calculated column. Filter visual, it is also taking. Filter on page, it is also taking. Report filter, it is also taking. So you can see here, whenever if you want your calculation should be used in axis, legend, slicer, page filter, report filter, then you should make the calculated column. If you want your calculation should be used in value section or visual filter, then you can calculate the measure, you can create the measure. Now we will see selection part, and just I put to here, I just change the card visual and I just take the total sales measure, and now I just apply the filter. I just take the category on the and then select the furniture. Now you can see here, if I'm applying some filter, office supplies, furniture, it is changing, it is measure, but whatever I apply the filter, column value will not change, because calculated column has a physical existence in the data. It will not change by the selection of the user or interaction of the user. So these are the differences between calculated column or measure. So it's a most important question in as interview point of view. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, so please like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.